Hi, this is Scott Clawson with Fight Factory Jiu-Jitsu here at Fit to Fight with your Fit to Fight fix. Okay, so we're going to do a guard pass here, and you can use this for MMA, for no gi, or with gi. It can lead to a submission, or you can use punches from here. So the first thing I need to do is capture his wrist, and without letting him know that's what I really want, I could be starting a guard pass. And however he grabs my wrist, we're just gonna rotate and use our weight. Gravity's on our side on top, and pin his wrist. Once his wrist is pinned, I'm going to tripod up so my hand can come underneath the small of his back and reach his hand. So his hand is stuck under his own back. From this point, if it were MMA, I could turn my head away from his punches and land some punches here. For jiu-jitsu purposes, I'm gonna press down on the leg, come over to side mount, and I'm not going to stop here. I'm going to slide across to mount, and I'm purposely going to go a little too far where he feels my weight shift and roll. 2 hands here and a Kimura. So one thing you may have to watch for this, guys, is when you pin the wrist, and once it's trapped under his back, there is a chance for him to throw up a triangle. Here, some guys try to throw up a triangle, so you have to watch for this. So that's why I'm blocking here and making my wall. Pass. We're inside. Go to mount. A little too far, so he does want to roll me that way. 2 hands on one. If you enjoyed that fix, and welcome to the Fit to Fight Republic.